Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create a survey using Microsoft Forms. Whether you need it for work, school, or an event, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to forms.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Step 2. Click on New Form to start a fresh survey. You'll see a blank form ready for your questions. Step 3. Give your form a title and a short description so people know what the survey is about. Step 4. Click Add New to insert different types of questions, like multiple choice, text answers, ratings, or dates. You can also make questions required by toggling the Required switch. Step 5. Use the Theme button at the top to change the background and style of your survey for a personal touch. Step 6. Click the Send button. You can copy the link, generate a QR code, or even email it directly to your audience. Bonus tip: you can also check settings to control who can respond, either anyone with the link or only people in your organization. And that's how you create a survey using Microsoft Forms. If this guide helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tech tutorials. See you next time!